How to allow and enable direct messages on Reddit app. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to enable direct messages on the Reddit app, I'll show you exactly how to do it. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. First, open the Reddit app and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap your profile icon in the top left corner and scroll down to find settings. Next, in the settings, scroll down and look for privacy and security. Tap on it to access your privacy options. Next, enable direct messages. Within privacy and security, look for an option labeled allow messages from others. Make sure this settings is enabled. You can also choose who can message you, such as everyone, people I follow, or none if you want to limit it. Next, adjust additional message preferences. Reddit also allows you to adjust other message settings on the chat and messaging settings if you'd like to customize who can reach out to you. And that's it. You have now enabled direct messages on the Reddit app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.